In this video, you will learn how to find duplicate in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and how to remove these duplicates from Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Currently, you can see here I have made a table and it contains duplicate values. So I want to remove those duplicate values from this table. Firstly, you have to select the data or the whole spreadsheet. For example, if I click here, you can see here the whole spreadsheet is selected. I will select only these two columns which contain the data. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now you will learn how to find duplicate. To find duplicate, you will go to this style options, and here there is a option of conditional formatting. Click on it, and first option is highlight cell rules, and in highlight cell rule you will find the option of duplicate values. Now you can see here these are the values which are duplicate, which are highlighted. You can change the color of this value according to your choice. Now I will click on OK, and I will remove these highlighted portions. For that purpose, go to this clear rule option, and from here I will select clear rule from selected cell. Now you have learned how to find duplicates. Now you will learn how you can remove these duplicates in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, I will select all my data. Next step is go to data tab. In data tab, you will find the option of remove duplicates. Click on it, and the remove duplicate options comes under data tool. Click on remove duplicates. Now a separate window will appear. Now you can see here the first option is the my data has headers. If you check this option, then your column appeared like this one. For example, I will uncheck this option. Now you can see here the columns names change to column B and C. If I check this option, the column name change to my header like name and contact number. Next is the option is from where you want to remove the duplicates. For example, if you select only one column, then the Excel will remove the duplicates from only contact numbers. If you select both name and contact number, then the Excel will remove the duplicate from both columns. After selecting these, you will click on OK, and now you can see here the option appears 2 duplicates value found and removed. 5 unique values remain. Now in previous section you have learned that we have 2 duplicates. Now you can see here these 2 duplicates are removed and our table contain only unique values. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.